Howdy folks, Johnny Danger with Oddball Outdoor Adventures. Just want to let you know that I'm on a Patreon now, so if you'd like to support me on Patreon, it's Oddball Outdoor Adventures, just like YouTube. What I will be doing on Patreon, I will be taking a canvas like this, going into my mine, and then, let's see. Yeah, there. Now, I can go to my little abandoned shed down in a bog that I thought of. Or, yeah, right here something. Yeah. And now we're up in a tree stand looking over my food plot. And, you know what? Thinking, I want to go fishing somewhere. Yeah, that's a beautiful place to go fishing. So, if you like these paintings, you'll also find them on eBay, where once they dry, I'll be able to auction them off. Or, if you don't want to wait that long, I'll have a limited amount of prints that you'll be able to get. So, thanks for any support. Now, let's check out the adventure I'm on. Howdy folks, welcome to another adventure on the Oddball Outdoors channel. On today's adventure, we're going to go to the the heck is it called? Son of a... Where is it? I can't find it. Come here, phone. Mr. President, what are you doing down here? What was that? Wow, we just might as well just keep going. Probably just a deer or something. Did you bring matches, John? Nope. Oh, backup layer works. You've got heat. Awesome. Tonight's meal is going to be I gotta take them out of the bag for you to see. Classic weenies. Oh no! Dropped my wiener. Baked beans for the side. Ooh, and pickles. So while we wait for the food to cook, I thought I'd talk about my plans for tomorrow. I'm gonna get up, make a little breakfast, and then I'm gonna go out and take a hike, check out the woods, get some ideas for a painting. I haven't tried anything with snow yet, and if you haven't checked out my paintings yet, well, it's my first video, I guess. So go check out Patreon, check out my paintings on eBay. You know, the prints and everything. That'll help support me and help support, well, gas money. And I just replaced some parts on my truck, so all of your support will get you an awesome poster of a painting made by me personally, and that money will go right into helping this channel grow. So thanks for the support. Beans are boiling, so I'm gonna eat them while I wait for the hot dogs to cook. Really warms you up on a cold night like tonight. That's the thing, it's not that much colder than the last time that I made a video camping. This Wisconsin weather is just weird like that. Like right before Christmas, you're like, it's gonna be a big snowstorm, 14 inches of snow, blizzard. Then we got like 2 inches of snow and some wind, and it was just a waste of my time sitting in the apartment for an entire month of December waiting for a big storm. And then January rolls around here. It's like, get some ice, drive the truck out on the lake, and then I can ice fish and sleep in the truck on the lake. Oh, and then we had 40-degree weather and it's raining, and drove pretty far up north. There's people out ice fishing on the lake, so I guess I should have brought the ice fishing stuff along with me this time, but next time I will. That'll be on the next video. So, great. I got ketchup on my elbow. So that's gonna be the plan for my next video. Is I want to go back up north here, and I'm gonna bring my ice fishing stuff, and I'm gonna go on the lake and hopefully catch some perch or walleye, you know, something good. And I'm gonna cook that out on the lake or in the truck somewhere. Get the freshest fish that you can catch. I've been craving that. So what's your opinion on the old gas stove ban that they're trying to do? In my opinion, because I've been a contractor and I know about codes and things, but when you have, not in a camper like this, but when you have a gas burner like this going, you're supposed to have a vent over the top and it'd be sucking air out. You're supposed to have that on while you're cooking, not when you're cooking fish and cabbage only, the stinky stuff, all the time, because it takes that exhaust and it sucks it out, puts it out in the atmosphere, which is bad for the environment. But that causes, or that solves your health problem. Just turn your vent fan on. I got the windows open, so I got some ventilation here. But it also, I spilt diesel fuel on my carpet, so it stinks of diesel in here. See how the wieners are. I think they're good. Ooh. Ooh, ow, ow, ow. Yeah, they're hot. These are venison hot dogs for my sister-in-law, Katie. Thank you, Katie. Actually, I should take a bite first before I say thank you. So hold that thank you. Yeah, thank you. They're delicious. Venison hot dogs. She didn't kill it, but somebody in her family did. Getting kind of cold in here. I got that burner turned down low. It's keeping that last wiener warm. How does this work? Power button, hold, on. We want H1. That's blowing hot, actually not hot, cold air right on my crotch. Come on, heater. Don't fail me now. Now it's getting warm. This is called a DVD for all of you kids that don't know what that is. Indiana Jones, Temple of Doom. Why a DVD on a laptop? Why don't I have, I was gonna say a Kindle. Do they have Kindle Fires anymore? Or is the, because we have one of those too, the first one. I don't have Netflix or any of that stuff on my phone. I've all the movies that I like that are on Netflix, I have them on DVD, so I figured I don't need Netflix right now because I got all the DVDs. So it's what I'm gonna do tonight, I'm gonna watch some Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom in my truck, not at home on my couch, because this is more fun. Because I'm out, when I wake up in the morning, I won't be at home. I'll be out in the wild.
He's like a plow guy got ripped off. I mean, the poison should have been kicked in like 10 seconds. We're crashing! Oh, classic.
Fortune and glory, kid.
Fortune and glory.
Fortune and glory.
Oh, I forgot a coffee mug. Son of a...
Back in. Hickory. Peaches and cream.
Oh, it was down.
Good morning, folks. So today I plan on doing a little hike. So if I take out my phone, let's look where I am. Uh-oh. Take a wrong turn to Albuquerque. The sun's there, so, but it could be in south or east. Oh, crap. They have kids in their tick clock videos.